In this video, I will show you 5 different very easy tips on how to speed up your Samsung Galaxy A55 if it has become kinda sluggish and slow. So the first thing what you can do is you can simply close any unneeded background apps. So you click these signs and basically close everything that you got running in the background. Then next thing what we can do is we can go through all our apps basically and see if we got a lot of junk on this phone basically, and which takes up space and might run some background access. So simply clean up your phone by uninstalling things that you don't really use anymore. Next, what we can do is we can simply restart our phone, and by restarting our phone it will also clear out any background running processes. Actually, I really suggest to restart your phone at least once a week. If you haven't restarted your phone, do it right now, as that improves a lot of performance basically almost every time. Next thing what we can do is we can go to our settings and then find device care. Click on that and check your available memory here. See if you still have something available. If you only got like less than 1 gig of memory available, you should really see it and try to find what's actually using it. So try to basically search for anything that might be using it. When we click on the memory, you can also perform an automatic clean, and you can also see what apps and processes are using most of our memory here. So we can clean it automatically, and I suggest to do this from time to time. That will make your phone a bit faster as well. And as you see, my available memory increased. Then also in the same menu, we can see this auto optimization thing here. And we can schedule basically an auto restart. So we can restart this phone on a schedule basically every few days or however you choose basically. Again, auto restarting this thing, yeah, it's one of the best things you can do to improve the performance. Okay, then and the last thing what you should do is you should actually check how much storage space available you got. For example, this is brand new phone for me, so I got a lot of storage basically. But if you are very low on storage and maybe you only got like 5 gigabytes of storage available, this for some reason actually slows down your phone a lot, especially if you near it like 1 gigabyte of and less of available storage and it's filled up. The phone will slow down significantly. So what we can do is we can go to the storage and again maybe search large files and basically delete all any large files from the device, and also make sure to clean out your trash as well. This sometimes really it might be the thing that causes a slowdown. Anyway, these are some things you can do to fix a slow A55. If it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!